Ever wondered how professionals get measurements down to the tiniest detail? Actually, that's because of a digital caliper. Technology is getting better and better every day, and with each new release, it's easy to get distracted by what's trending and overlook the products that actually matter, the ones that are smart, practical, and built to improve your daily life. That's why we're bringing you 5 of the best options on the market right now. Whether it's for your home, office, or on-the-go lifestyle, these picks are more than just hype. They're genuinely useful, cleverly designed, and worth your attention. Let's get into it. The 5th product on this list is the VINCA DCLA-0605. If you're into DIY projects, fixing things around the house, or even if you're in a workshop all day, this gadget makes measuring a whole lot easier and a whole lot more accurate. So here's the deal. It's made from polished stainless steel, which means it's tough, smooth, and just feels solid in your hands. None of that cheap plastic feel. The sliding is buttery smooth too, so you don't get that annoying jerk when you're trying to measure something delicate. And because it's got IP54 protection, you don't have to freak out if it gets a little dusty or catches a splash of water. It'll hold up just fine. Now, one of the coolest parts? You can flip between inches, millimeters, and fractions instantly. No mental math, no second guessing, it just does it for you. And accuracy? This thing is sharp. We're talking down to plus or minus 0.001 inches with a resolution so precise it almost feels overkill. That giant LCD screen also makes the numbers pop out at you. No squinting required. Oh, and if you're working with data, it's even got an RS-232 port to transfer measurements straight to your computer. Just make sure you grab the right cable, their own, not a random USB one, or you might end up with a headache. And yeah, they even have an extra battery, because let's be honest, running out of juice mid-project is the worst. Want to learn more or see the most up-to-date prices? Just click the links down in the description box. The 4th product on this list is the HARDELL Digital Caliper. It's built from stainless steel, not like a flimsy plastic that bends when you barely press it. It's waterproof, stain-resistant, and it's got that smooth sliding feel thanks to the thumb roller and locking screw. You don't just measure with it, you actually enjoy using it. Now, accuracy is where it really shines. We're talking measurements down to plus or minus 0.001 inch. That's basically hair-thin precision. The range is 0 to 6 inches, and the best part? You can set 0 at any point. No math in your head, no second guessing, just press reset and go. It's not just for one type of job either. With 4 different measurement modes, outer, inner, depth, and step, it covers pretty much every scenario. Want to check the thickness of a piece of wood? Done. Need to measure a tiny inner diameter? Easy. It even comes with a tough little storage case that won't crack if you drop it. Switching between millimeters and inches? One click. The LCD screen is big and clear, and even outside in bright sunlight you can see it. Plus, it's smart enough to save power. It shuts off automatically if you forget to. This kit also throws in a ruler, screwdriver, and 2 batteries, which is honestly pretty thoughtful. Whether you're a mechanic, woodworker, jeweler, or just someone who tinkers with DIY projects on weekends, this thing's got your back. Still haven't found the best digital caliper for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. The 3rd product on this list is the Kynup Caliper Measuring Tool. This thing measures everything from 0 to 6 inches or 0 to 150 millimeters, and here's the cool part. It's insanely accurate. I'm talking down to plus or minus 0.001 inch or 0.02 millimeters accurate. That's the kind of precision that makes a difference when you're working on something that just has to fit perfectly. And you don't have to squint or guess because it's got this large, super clear LCD screen. Even if you're outside in bright sunlight or in a dim garage, you'll still see those numbers pop up easily. Plus, it's built tough. Stainless steel construction, splash-proof screen, and rust-resistant. You don't have to worry about it giving up on you halfway through a project. Now here's where it gets even better. It's versatile. You can measure in inches, millimeters, or fractions just by pressing a button. So no more mental math or conversions. And it's not limited to one type of measurement either. You can measure depth, steps, inside diameter, and outside diameter, all with this one tool. Basically, if it needs measuring, this caliper's got it covered. Even thought about the small stuff. It comes with 3 batteries. One's already in there, and 2 extras are waiting for when you need them. Plus, it'll auto shut down if you leave it alone for a while so you're not wasting power. The second product on this list is the Housolution Absolute Scale Caliper. If you've ever messed around with cheap calipers that constantly lose their 0 point, you know how annoying that is. This one? Totally different. It's got an absolute scale, ABS system, which basically remembers the origin point you set, even if you switch it off. Turn it back on and boom, you're right where you left off. No fiddling, no re-zeroing every single time. Honestly, that alone makes life easier. Now, what makes it even cooler is its flexibility. You can switch between millimeters, inches, and fractions. So whether you're working on a woodworking project in your garage or doing precise measurements in a workshop, it adapts. It measures from 0 to 6 inches with super fine accuracy. Like, we're talking plus or minus 0.001 inch. That's sharp. And it's not just about one type of measurement. With its jaws and probe, you can measure inside, outside, depth, and step dimensions. Plus, it comes with a 32-blade steel feeler gauge, which is perfect for those tricky spots like spark plug gaps or piston rings. Durability-wise, it's built solid. Stainless steel, IP54 water and dust resistant, smooth sliding action, and it even comes with a tough shock-resistant case so you can toss it in your toolbox without worrying. The little things matter too. There's a 0 button, auto shutoff, and a clear LCD display that saves battery. Speaking of batteries, you get 3, 1 already inside and 2 spares. Before we reveal the best digital caliper on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. Finally, our best digital caliper is the Mitutoyo Digimatic. It's built to measure from 0 to 1 inch, or 0 to 25 millimeters if you're thinking metric, with ridiculous accuracy. I'm talking 0.00005 inches. That's the kind of precision we like. And the cool part? It's not just accurate, it's consistent. Thanks to the ratchet stop, you're not just guessing how much pressure to apply. It locks in repeatable results every single time. Now the screen is clean and easy to read. You don't have to squint or second guess. Just hit the button and you can switch between inches and millimeters, depending on what you're working with. Super handy if you're bouncing between projects. Durability-wise, Mitutoyo didn't mess around. The measuring faces are carbide tipped, so yeah, they'll handle some wear and tear. The plastic parts? Oil resistant, which matters way more than you'd think in a messy workshop. Plus, it's IP65 certified, meaning dust and water splashes aren't gonna ruin your day. You can actually use it in real shop conditions without babying it. So yeah, whether you're a machinist, an engineer, or just someone who geeks out over precision tools, this micrometer is one of those buy it once, use it forever kind of gadgets. It's simple, it's tough, and it just works. And honestly, isn't that all we want from a tool? Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. It doesn't just make your job easier, it gives you the confidence that every single measurement you take is spot on. That peace of mind? Totally priceless. Full product info and pricing are linked down below. Can't get enough? We've handpicked these next 2 videos just for you. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.